Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, guys. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. We are doing October-November 2020, paper 22. Before I start the paper, I wanted to tell you guys that all the earnings from my YouTube channel will be going to the cause of Palestine, inshallah. So I really do appreciate if you guys can like, subscribe and share my channel. Your support not actually means a lot to me. It means a lot to the Palestinian people as well now, inshallah. So let's start with our very first question. It says write 200,017 in figures. So look guys, this is a very easy question. 200,017. You will be writing it like this. Okay. Next question says insert one pair of brackets to make this calculation correct. Basically the question is saying add brackets so that your result is 9. Okay. If you look at this question, if I add brackets over here, so what will it become? 7 minus 5 minus 3 is how much, guys? It's 2 plus 4. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So basically you guys have to add brackets over here. Okay. Moving on to the next question, it says solve the equation. So this is very easy, guys. 6 minus 2x is equals to 3x. We will shift minus 2 over there. 6 is equals to 3x plus 2x. 6 is equals to 5x. So you can write it down like this. 5x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 divided by 5. And that is going to be your answer. Now in the next question it says the diagram shows a triangle drawn between a pair of parallel lines. Okay, find the value of x and the value of y. So first of all, guys, what we will do, we will find these angles. Okay, so in order to find this angle, you will do 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140, that's only 40. So it's 40 over here. Then you will solve this one. 180 minus 120, that's 60. So that's how you get 60 over here. Okay. Now, in order to find y, you will do y plus 40 plus 60 is equals to 180 because the sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. Y plus 40 plus 60 is 100 is equals to 180. Okay, y is equals to 180 minus 100. In my mind I have that song like tell me why. Anyways, so y is equals to 80 degrees. Okay. And in order to find x, look, these both are interior angles and the sum of an interior angle is 180 degrees. So you will say x plus 120 is equals to 180 degrees. X is equals to 180 minus 120. X is equals to 60 degrees. So I hope you all found your x. Moving on to the next question, says increase 42 by 16%. So you will do 42 multiply by 116 divided by 100. So now let's take out our big guns, which is our calculator. So I will do 42 multiply by 116 and I'm going to divide it by 100. So that is how much? 48.72. So let's just write 48.72. Okay. It says factorize. By the way, if some of you find factorization difficult, let me know. I will put another video in the comments below. I have solved all types of factorization questions. So look, in factorize we see what is common. So in 4 minus 8x only 4 is common. So you will take 4 as common. 4 divided by 4 is 1 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this is your answer. 4 bracket 1 minus 2x. Next question, it says the area of a triangle ABC is 27 and AB is equals to 6. Find the value of h. So look guys, area of triangle, the formula is, let me write it over here. A is equals to 1 upon 2 multiply by base multiply by height. Okay. Now in this question area is 27 is equals to 1 upon 2 multiply by base is 6 multiply by height is h. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. So 27 is equals to 3h. H is equals to 27 divided by 3. H is equals to 9. So height is 9. Moving on to the next question, it says calculate the size of one interior angle of a regular polygon with 40 sides. So look guys, in this question you need to know the formula. So interior angle is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. Okay, so we have to calculate the interior angle. How many sides are there? 40 sides. So we will say 40 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided with 40 again, because n refers to the number of sides. So this becomes actually, let me go over here, this becomes 40 minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by 40 again. So it's 171. So the size of each interior angle is 171 degrees. Now simultaneous equations. If you guys have confusion in simultaneous equations, let me know. I will attach my video in the comments below. Okay, Bismillah. Minus y is equals to 8. So look, plus y minus y gets cancelled out. This is simultaneous, this is the elimination method. 2x plus 3x, we write 5x is equals to 7 plus 8 is 15. Okay, so x is equals to 15 divided by 5, x is equals to 3. We got 3. Now you will put the value of x in either the first or in the second equation. So let's just put it in the first equation. Both will give you the same answer. Don't worry about that. So 2x plus y is equals to 7. 2 multiplied by 3 plus y is equals to 7. 2 3s are 6 plus y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 6. Y is equals to 1. That's how you solve for y. Okay, moving on to the next question without using a calculator, work out. Okay, so look, 5 upon 6 divided by, first you will solve this. 1 whole, 1 upon 3 means 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4. It means 4 upon 3. Divided with 4 upon 3. 5 upon 6, divide sign will change into multiply and we will reciprocate. 3 will go up, 4 will come down. So it becomes 3 upon 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So it's 5 upon 8. Moving on to the next question, it says simplify. Simplify. Okay. Look, this is kind of like a rule, some rules of indices as well. You will multiply 2 and 5, that's 10. And whenever there is this multiply sign, you add the power. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So this becomes 10x raised to power 7. Next question says Alex and Chris, yeah, I thought it's like crisp. Alex and Chris share sweets in the ratio 7:3. Alex received more sweets than Chris. Work out the number of sweets Chris has. So guys, even though it seems like a difficult question, it's actually not. Just write Alex and Chris. Look, they share the sweets in the ratio 7:3. It says Alex receives 20 more sweets than Chris. So let's say Chris receives X sweets. It means Alex receives 20 more, so 20 plus X. Now cross multiply. We will cross multiply, so it will become 7. X is equals to 3 multiplied by 20 plus X. 7x is equals to 3, 20s are 60 plus 3x. 3x will go over there. 7x minus 3x is equals to 60. 4x is equals to 60. X is equals to 60 divided by 4. X is equals to, let's do 60 divided by 4. 15. This is the answer. So work out the number of sweets Chris receives. Chris receives 15 sweets. But if the question asked you how many sweets Alex received, you would say 20 plus 15. So Alex received like 35 sweets. Now let's move on to question says 13. It says the length of one side of a rectangle is 12. The length of the diagonal of the rectangle is 13. Calculate the area of the triangle. Look, this is very easy. Make the rectangle. So the length of one side is 12. The diagonal is 13. In order to find the area of the rectangle, it's base into height. So we don't know the height. So if you look at it, this becomes a 90-degree right angle triangle. Look, 12, 13, height. So this becomes c square is equals to a square plus b square. C square is 13. C square is usually the longest side of triangle. So 13 square is equals to 12 square plus, let's say, b square. B square is equals to 13 square minus 12 square. So now we will under root both the sides. Okay. So b is equals to under root 13 square minus 12 square. Let me do it for you. Guys, while you're watching it, please do like, subscribe and share. Your support means a lot. 5. B is equals to 5. Now let's find out the answer. So this is 12, this is 5. So 12 multiplied by 5, that's 60. Get it? Next question says calculate the area of this sector of a circle. Look, how to find the area of a sector. Area of a sector is x upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. So x is 60 degrees. So 60 upon 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. R is 7.5. 7.5 square. Just plug it into the calculator. 60 upon 360. I feel like having coffee. I will drink coffee. Multiply by 7.5 e square. So your answer is 29.45. So 29.45, which I can write as 29.5 as well. So in my answer I will write 29.5. I think did I skip a question? Sorry, yeah, I skipped question 14. So look, it says work out 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 199 plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 201. So look, in order to solve this question, alright, what you guys have to do, first write down the whole question. Whenever you guys are solving, do make sure you write down the question again. 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 201. Now look, can you guys make both the powers same, like 10 raised to power 201? Actually I can. If I write this as 0.03, if I go 2 decimal places back, 1, 2, I will add 2 power over here. So this becomes 0.03 raised to power 201 plus, sorry, not 0. My bad, wait. Sorry, like this, not like this, actually like this. Multiply by 10 raised to power 201 plus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 201. Now I will add these two numbers. So I will do 2.03 and I will take this as common. Multiply by 10 raised to power 201. So your final answer would be 2.03 multiplied by 10 raised to power 201. Okay. I already did question 15. Now in question 16 it says the selling price of a shirt is 26.5. This includes a tax of 6%. Calculate the price of the shirt before the tax was added. So guys, whenever you're solving this question, I usually teach my students the cross multiplication technique. Right over here dollar price, right over here x. Sorry, percentage. Right over here percentage. So do you guys agree that this price, the selling price, it's actually 106%? Alright? Because the original price is always 100%. So the original price is 100%, but we do not know it, so we wrote x, and there was a 6% tax, so the percentage became 106%, which is equivalent to 26.5. Now we cross multiply. 26.5 multiplied by 100 is equals to 106x, x is equals to 26.5 multiplied by 100 divided by 106. Let's solve it. 26.5 multiplied by 100 divided by 106. So it's 25. So the original price was $25. Alright. Let's move on to the next question. It says the diagram shows the speed time graph for the first 40 seconds of a cycle, right? Find the acceleration between 40 and 20 seconds. Look, acceleration between these 2 points. Acceleration basically means your gradient. Alright. So basically you will take this point, it becomes 20, 2, and you will take this point which is 40, 4. x1, y1, x2, y2. Gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. y2 is 4 minus 2 upon x2 is 40 minus, wait, let me see one thing. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, 40 minus 20. Alright, so this becomes 2 upon 20, which means it is 1 upon 10. Alright, so you can write 1 upon 10 or 0.1 meters per second square. Next question, it says find the total distance traveled. Look, this is one of the easiest. In order to find this, break this shape into 2 parts. This and this. Okay, let me erase this thing. So I have finally erased. So the first part, this is a trapezium. So formula for trap I'm writing is half into height multiplied by side 1 plus side 2. So this becomes half multiplied by, what's the height? Height is 2. 1, 2. Multiplied by side 1 is 20. Look, this is the side 1, 20. Plus side 2 is from 10 till 20. So it's just 10. 2, 2 cancel. So it's just 1 multiplied by 30. So it's just 30. Right, 30 over here. Now this thing. The second shape. Again it's trapezium, half into base into side 1 plus side 2. So look, half. This time the base is what? This time the base is this, from 20 to 40. So base is 20 multiplied by side 1 is 2. Okay, side 1 is 2 and side 2 is 4, from all the way from 1 till 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are. So this becomes 10 multiplied by 2 plus 4 is 6, so it's 60. So this is 60. So 30 plus 60, your answer will be 90. Alright guys. Let's move on to question 18. It says the side of an isosceles triangle are measured correct to the nearest millimeter. One side has a length of 8.2, another side has a length of 9.4. Find the largest possible value of the perimeter of this triangle. Okay. So look guys, first of all let's make the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means that 2 sides are the same. Alright. So because we want the largest possible value, we will assume that the 2 big sides are same. Secondly, it says it's correct to nearest 1 millimeter. It means correct to nearest 0.1. Since we have to find the largest possible value of the perimeter of the triangle, we will take the upper bound of the triangle. So we will do what? 0.1 divided by 2, it's 0.05. So we will do 9.4 plus 0.05 and 8.2 plus 0.05. So this becomes 9.45 and this becomes 8.25. So now our triangle is like this. 9.45, 9.45, 8.25. I wish I had something to eat. So it's 27.15. 27.15. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. It says calculate the value of x. So basically guys, this is sine law. Alright, this is sine law. For those of you who don't know further trigonometry, please mention them in the comments below. I will provide you with a video for sine law as well. I have sine law, cosine law, area of triangle, everything. So for sine law, we use the formula sine A upon A is equals to sine B upon B. Sine 100 upon 9 is equals to sine x upon 8. Alright. So, sine x is equals to, this 8 will go over there and multiply. Sine 100 multiplied by 8 divided by 9. X is equals to sine inverse sine 100 multiplied by 8 upon 9. Now let's put this in our calculator. Okay. By the way guys, I have a vlogging channel as well. If you guys want to subscribe, please do mention in the comments below. So it's 61.09. It will become 61.1 degrees. Next, it says calculate the area of the triangle. Calculate the area of the triangle. Let me make the triangle over here so that it's easier. 61.1. What was this? 109.8. Okay. 109.8. Look, area of triangle is half AB sine C. Okay. Now, look, you cannot use 9 or 8 because you need to use an angle. We cannot use the angle 61.1 because you already have the length. You cannot use any angle if you're using its opposite length. For example, I cannot use 61.1 because I will be using 8. I cannot even use the angle 100 because I will be using 9. So I will use this angle. So first I will find this angle. So x plus 100 plus 61.1 is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 minus 161.1. X is equals to 18.9. So this is x is equals to 18.9 degrees. So now I will say half multiply by 9 multiply by 8 multiply by 9 multiply by sine 18.9. So it's 11.66. So 11.66 will become 11.7. Next question says the model of a statue has a height of 4. The volume of the model is 12. The volume of the statue is 40,500. Calculate the height. So guys, whenever we have a question like this, what you guys can do is you need to understand the concept of volume and area of similar figures. So for example, whenever you have a similar figure like this, you use the formula V1 upon V2 is equals to L1 upon L2 whole cube. So V1 is 12 upon V2 is 40,500 is equals to L1 is 4. And we have to find L2, the height of the real statue. So we just say L, or we can say height, whole cube. Now in order to remove this whole cube, we will cube root both the sides. Alright. Once you do that, let me do it. Cube root of both the sides is actually going to be 12 upon 40,500. It's 1 upon 15. 1 upon 15 is equals to 4 upon h. H will go there, 15 will go there. H is equals to 4 multiplied by 15. H is equals to 60. So the height of the statue is how much? 60 centimeters. So easy. Next question says differentiate. If you guys want to learn differentiation as well, I have a video in which I have done advanced differentiation as well. Anyways, for differentiation means, first of all, y is equals to 6 plus 4x minus x square. Differentiation means you will do dy over dx. 6 will actually become 0 because there is no x figure with 6. 4x means 4x raised to the power 1. So 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. And x will finish, minus 2 multiplied by x, and x will become raised to the power of 1. So this means dy over dx is equals to 4 minus 2x. So you will say 4 minus 2x, that is going to be your answer. Now in the next question it says find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph y is equals to 6 plus 4x minus x square. So whenever we are finding the turning point, the gradient is 0. Basically dy over dx also means gradient. So dy over dx at turning point is equals to 0. Now we already know that the value of dy over dx is 4 minus 2x. It means 4 minus 2x is equals to 0. Minus 2x is equals to minus 4. Minus minus cancelled out. X is equals to 4 upon 2. X is equals to 2. We got the value of x. Now you will plug that value of x inside this equation. Y is equals to 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 square. Okay. So this becomes 6 plus 4 2s is 8 minus 2 square is 4. Y is equals to 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 4. Y is equals to 10. So the answer is 2, 10. Next question says vectors. Okay. Many students find vectors difficult. I don't know why though, but if you guys find vectors difficult, let me know. I have a video for that as well. Anyways, it says find in terms of a and b in its simplest form the value of ab. So look, I'll make it for you actually. A, B, O. This is A, this is B. So AB basically means that you are going from A to B. So you always start from the back hand side, okay, from the back side of the arrow. So you will go negative A and you will go positive B. So the answer is negative A plus B. Okay. Now guys, in order to understand MC, what you need to focus on is this line. OA is to OC. OA to OC is the ratio 2 is to 5. Now what does this actually mean? It actually means that this this whole line OA is 2 is to 5. So this means the whole line C is 5. Let me erase this thing. Because from O to C it's 5 and OA is 2. So this means that AC is just going to be 3 because the whole line is 5 and OA is, if it's 2, then AC is going to be 3. So if I want to express this in ratio, like the ratio of OA is to AC, it's going to be 1 is to 1.5. How do I do that? Because I divided this 2 with 2, it's 1, and 3 with 2, it's 1.5. So the ratio is 1 is to 1.5. So if OA is A, so AC is going to be 1.1, not 1.5, let me say 3 upon 2A. Alright, because it's 1.5, it means 3 upon 2. So that's 3 upon 2A. So in the next question it was saying find MC. It was saying find MC. It means this thing from M to C. So first of all we have the value of AC. AC is 3 upon 2A and we also have the value of AM. AM is how much? Look, AB is minus A plus B. So AM is the half of AB. AM is the half of AB. AB divided by 2. So AM is actually minus A plus B upon 2. So MC is actually MA plus AC. So MC is equals to MA plus AC. MA is going to be negative A plus B upon 2 plus AC is going to be, where is AC? AC is 3 upon 2A plus 3 upon 2A. This turns out to be positive A upon 2, negative B upon 2, positive 3 upon 2A. Alright. So A upon 2 plus 3A upon 2 minus B upon 2. So this becomes 4A upon 2 negative 1B upon 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this becomes 2A negative 1 upon 2B. So your answer is going to be 2A negative 1 upon 2B. Okay. Next question. Let me zoom it in. It says write as a single fraction. So you do it like this. Look, 2 upon 1 minus 2x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Cross multiply. 2 multiplied by x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1. Even if I multiply this whole thing with 1, it doesn't matter. Upon x plus 1. This becomes 2x plus 2 minus 2x. Okay, put this in bracket. Just to be on the safe side, put this whole thing in bracket, otherwise you guys will get your answer wrong. So it becomes minus 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay. So 2x minus 2x cancelled out, 2 plus 1 is 3, so the answer is 3 upon x plus 1. So I will write 3 upon x plus 1. Next question says a line from the point 2, 3 is perpendicular to the line. The two lines meet at point P. Find the coordinates of P. So first of all guys, in this question you will find the perpendicular gradient. How do we find perpendicular gradient? So look, you already have one gradient. The formula for perpendicular gradient is m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. So let's say m1 multiplied by m2 is 1 upon 3 is equals to minus 1. So m1 is equals to minus 3. Okay. So the gradient of the perpendicular line is minus 3. Now the equation is y is equals to mx plus c. Alright. Y is equals to mx plus c. You guys already have the gradient minus 3 and you guys already have the coordinates 2, 3. So in place of y write 3. In place of gradient you will write minus 3. In place of x you will write 2 plus c. So 3 is equals to minus 6 plus c. So c is equals to 3 plus 6, c is equals to 9. So your equation is y is equals to minus 3x plus 9. Now we have to find the coordinates. So what you guys need to understand is that there is a line, this line. Let's call this line A. And then we have the line P. We have another line, B. And they both meet at one point and this point is P actually. So what do we have to do now? This equation 1 upon 3x plus 1 is equals to this equation minus 3x plus 9. So we will shift 3x over there. 1 upon 3x plus 3x is equals to 9 minus 1. So let me use my calculator. 1 upon 3 plus 3 is equals to 10x upon 3 is equals to 9 minus 1 is 8. So x is equals to 8 multiplied by 3 divided by 10. So x is equals to 8 3s is 24, 24 divided by 10. X is equals to 2.4. So you will put 2.4 over here. What's the value of y? Look, Plug it into the equation. Y is equals to minus 3x plus 9. Y is equals to minus 3 multiplied by 2.4 plus 9. Let me do it. Minus 3 multiplied by 2.4 plus 9. So it's 1.8. Y is equals to 1.8. So let's do this. 1.8. How many questions are left? Okay. Now it says solve the equation. Alright. So it says tan x is equals to 2. So tan x is equals to 2. X is equals to tan inverse 2. X is equals to 63.43. Now look, you have a quadrant like this. Add sugar to coffee. This thing is 63.43. And where else is tan positive? In this quadrant. So this is 63.43 plus 180 because we are going all the way till here. So one value is 66.43. The other value is 180 plus 63.43, which is 243.43. So 243.4 and 163.4, one decimal place. Okay. Next question says simplify. So okay, in this question, first simplify this. Ux minus 2u minus x plus 2. Take x as common, it becomes u minus 2. Take minus 1 as common. Oh, wait a minute, no, you can't do that over here. So wait a minute, let me do this one again. So ux minus 2u minus x plus 2. So in the first one I will take x as common, so it will become u minus 2. Sorry, not x, my bad. I will take u as common. U, so it will become x minus 2. Now it's fine. And in the second one I will take minus 1 as common, so it will become x minus 2. U square minus 1 can be written as u plus 1 and u minus 1. Okay, so this thing will become u minus 1 and x minus 2 upon u plus 1 and u minus 1. U minus 1 gets cancelled out, so your answer is x minus 2 upon u plus 1. Alright. So guys, that's it for the past paper. We have finished the whole past paper. Before I end this session, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Your support would actually mean a lot. All the donations are being raised for the cause of Palestine. And for private lessons, you can mention them in the comments below. If you do not understand any particular topic like derivatives or any other topic, you can mention that in the comment below as well, and I will provide you a link of my other video. I have almost explained all the topics, alhamdulillah. So that's about it. Bye bye guys, take care.